Welcome to my SAS and the Statistical forum. The purpose of this series of videos is to show people how to do statistical analysis with very little or almost no statistical background. In this first video, I will talk about some statistical data types. At the end, we will register a free software to do analysis online. This software allows you to make reports with no statistical background. Yes, you can do it for free. So keep watching to the end. It has always been a problem to know when and where to apply a particular statistical test. The various tests has been set up to analyze specific types of data and to test specific types of hypotheses. They all make assumptions about things such as the probability distribution of the data. It is important to recognize to which types of data a particular test applies and the hypothesis to be tested. Types of data. Data can either be categorical or numerical, otherwise known as qualitative and quantitative respectively. What kind of summaries and analyses are appropriate to individual data sets depends critically on the types of data. Categorical data. First, let's look at nominal data. Has no ordering, like gender. The female could code as 2 or 1. The male could code as 1 or 2. Second one is ordinal data, have order. For example, pain rating scale, from none, mild, moderate, severe, and very severe. Numerical data, discrete data, primarily counts, like number of tumors, number of cars crossed a traffic light. Second one is continuous data, which can be measured as weight and height, theoretically to an infinity precision. There's another kind of data type like ranks, percentages, rates and ratios, scores and scales. They all correspond to different statistical analysis. Descriptive statistics. There are two most important measures for numerical data. Mean or median represent the middle of the data. Standard deviation or variance represent the spread of the data. The two most important measures of categorical data are frequency or count, represent the number of certain category. Percentage represents the proportion of certain category. In here, we're not going to show you any formula. To understand what kind of statistical analysis or test procedure for your data, you must understand another basic concept, dependent and independent. When we say these two variables are independent, that means the value of the variable 1 has nothing to do with the value of variable 2, just like my body weight has nothing to do with your body weight. When we say these two variables are dependent, that means the value of the variable 1 related to the value of variable 2. Like someone's weight in 13 years old must relate to his weight in 10 years old. Someone's cholesterol level after treatment must relate to his level before treatment. We have talked about data type, dependent and independent. Let's look at our data and think about what kind of test you can choose based on the research purpose. I have created two charts for varied data type and the research purpose. You can pause here or keep the figures. To do statistical test, we need specific tools like SAS, SPSS, or R. Today, I will show you a free statistical software without writing any code. You can do it. Okay, let's go to SAS OnDemand for Academics page. In this page, you will click on this sign in little person, and since you don't have any profile or password be set up, so click on create a profile and come to this page. You'll just create the profile, whatever they ask. Okay, go to the country is United States and the region Florida, and this one you can pick up a student or professor or whatever, and the level that's not a user, and organization you can just put personal, then check in here and here and click on create profile. That way if you go to your email and you will receive an email. From there, you can create your password. Okay, this is for today. We will continue to talk about how to use SAS OnDemand to analyze data with some examples. Thanks for coming. I will see you next time.